Just in case, it is 3 days to go before the FIFA World Cup 2026 kicks off. Did you know there's this exclusive club of 3 players who will attend their 6th World Cup? All of them started out their first World Cup in 2006 and are still up for the task in 2026. The 3 players are Lionel Messi of Argentina, Guillermo Ochoa from Mexico, and of course Cristiano Ronaldo from Brazil. They will definitely play once again a huge role in this year's World Cup. Maybe they are part of the winning team. Another interesting fact, Kylian Mbappe of France has scored the most FIFA World Cup goals in a final. First, 1 goal in the final in 2018 versus Croatia and 3 in the final against Argentina in the 2022 World Cup. Make sure to follow me for quick updates. Moenie die oningeligte een in die kantoor wees nie, ons praat gou-gou. Moenie die oningeligte een in die kantoor wees nie, ons praat gou-gou.